guys, in this video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano solve ang quartile for measures of position for ungrouped data for odd numbered set gamit ang More and McCabe method. So paano nga ba hahanapin ang Q1, Q2, or Q3? So meron tayong data na 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So take note guys na yung data natin is dapat naka-arrange siya in ascending order. So ang data natin is already arranged in ascending order. Step 1, locate the middle term by inspection. The middle term natin is 8. The middle quartile or Q2 is the middle number or the median. Then Q2 now is equal to 8. Take note that if we exclude the middle quartile, it divides the set into two equal groups in either side of the data given, a lower half and an upper half. Step 2. Use the formula. The lower quartile or Q1 is the middle number of the lower half. So yung middle na number natin is 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 over 2. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 over 2. 10 over 2 is equal to 5. So the lower quartile is equal to 5. Step 3. Use the formula. The upper quartile, Q3, is the middle number of the upper half. So we have 10 plus 11 over 2. 21 over 2. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So the upper quartile is 10.5. In summary, quartile 1 or the lower quartile is 5. Quartile 2 or the middle quartile is 8. Quartile 3 or the upper quartile is 10.5.